How this channel here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use two Telegram apps on your phone. You can use two Telegram apps with a different number on the one single Android phone or your iPhone or your computer. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is go to your Play Store. So I'm going to give you two Telegram. We have the normal Telegram and we have the light one that you can use. So now the first one is you can search for your plus. That is the original Telegram plus. Click on your plus, and this is it here. You can see. Sorry, let me show my tab. Now this is it here. You can see I've already installed my plus. So if you haven't installed your own, just click on install and you install it on your phone. And the second Telegram apps is Telegram on its own. Click on Telegram on its own, and this is it. You can see I have my Telegram also installed, so I'm using two Telegram apps on my phone right now. So just click on it and just install, and you can just set it up with different two numbers. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.